Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve constructor response questions of chapter 17. Question number 1 is why melting point and density of beryllium are higher than the group 2 elements. So beryllium is the first member of group 2. Beryllium जो है इसके बारे में हमने पहले पढ़ा है कि ये सबसे स्मॉल साइज है अपनी फैमिली में और इसकी चार्ज डेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है। तो इसकी चार्ज डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होने की वजह से इसका मेटेलिक बॉन्ड जो बनता है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है और जो सॉलिड में क्रिस्टलाइन स्ट्रक्चर इसकी बनती है वो पैकिंग भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती है। तो यही रीज़न है जिसकी वजह से इसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई है और इसकी डेंसिटी भी ज़्यादा है। So answer is beryllium is very small in size and have high charge density. It forms strong metallic bond and has more efficient packing in solid state. Therefore, beryllium has high melting point and high charge density than other group 2 elements. Question number 2 is why are group 1 metals more reactive than group 2 metals? So in this question, they have compared the reactivity and they've asked the questions about reason for their reactivity. तो ग्रुप 1 मेटल जो हैं ये ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव हैं क्योंकि इनके वैलेंस शेल में एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन है और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम आसानी से रिमूव कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए हमें थोड़ी अमाउंट में एनर्जी चाहिए। So group 1 metals have one valence electron and low ionization energy, therefore it easily lose electron and more reactive than metals in the same period. Question number 3. Explain why calcium hydroxide is used in agriculture. Answer is calcium hydroxide, also known as slaked lime, is used in agriculture to neutralize acid. So it's basic in nature. It will react with acid to produce salt and neutralize the soils. It reacts with excess acids in soil, increasing soil pH. So pH will be alkaline. This improves availability of nutrients to plants, enhance soil fertility, and improve healthier crop growth. So overall benefits of using calcium hydroxide in agriculture is to neutralize acidic soils by raising soil pH, improves crop growth by making nutrient more available to plants. Third, supplies calcium as essential nutrient needed for healthy plant development. It enhances soil fertility resulting in better crop yield.